Okay, assalamu alaikum. Hello, my students. On today's lesson, we're going to talk about how can we make some change in our data structure. What do you mean by our data structure? Means we can insert column, we can insert rows, and so on. Sometimes we may need extra spaces in our data here. For example, if I want to add a new column for a new for a new subject between name and ICT. In this case, I'm going to add a vertical area. The vertical area is called column. So first, I'm going to start with how can we insert a column to our data. Step number one, you have to remember that Microsoft Excel always adding or insert the columns or even rows as prefix. Prefix means before. You cannot have the choice of right and left. No, you are only going to add before your selected column. So if you want to add a column between name and ICT, you must click on the column letter of ICT, click the right button, then immediately choose insert. By this way you simply can add a column between name and ICT. So remember, always you have to select the column that you need to add before it. Now I want a column after or before total. Go to the column letter, click the right button, then choose insert. This is how to add it. Finally, if I want a column at the beginning of the table, at the beginning of the table means before the first column here. So now click the right button here, then choose insert. Okay, simply, if I want to add a column after the last or at the end of the table, at the end of the table means after total. So no need to add a column because you can just click here and write your name. So this is simply how to insert a column. The same thing we can do it for the rows, but before that you must save your change. After each operation, save your change. Go to file, then choose save. Now to do the same thing, I have to select the row number. If I want to insert a student between Ali and Ahmed, that means I'm going to insert a horizontal area. The horizontal area is called row. How can we do that? We have to select the row that I want to insert before it, Ali and Ahmed. So highlight Ahmed. How is that? From the row number here, click the right button, then choose insert. By this way we insert a new student between Ali and Ahmed. Now I want to add a new student before the first one. The first one is Abu Bakr. I want to add a student before Abu Bakr. That means I'm going to insert a horizontal area. That means I'm going to insert a row. So to insert a row here before Abu Bakr, that means I have to highlight Abu Bakr itself, click the right button on the row number, then choose insert. Now I want to add, this is the last example, I want to add a student after Khalid or a row after Khalid. In this case I cannot highlight Khalid because Excel is going to add it before him. So I have to highlight Asad, this one. Click the right button on the row number which involves Asad, then click insert. In this case you have successfully add a student after Khalid, and don't forget to save your change. Go to file, then choose save. Thank you very much. This is all about how to insert column and rows.